Welcome back to Best Gear. Today we are shifting our focus to some incredibly important lifestyle tech. We are breaking down the top 5 best wearable breast pumps on the market in 2026. We've looked at battery life, suction power, app connectivity, and ease of cleaning to help you find the absolute perfect fit for your breastfeeding journey. Let's jump right into the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Paruu P20. If you are looking to dip your toes into the wearable pump world, but don't want to drop hundreds of dollars right out of the gate, this is the budget-friendly workhorse you've been looking for. Despite its highly accessible price point, the Paruu P20 doesn't skimp on features. It offers multiple modes, including massage and expression, along with several suction levels so you can dial in what feels comfortable. The motor is surprisingly quiet, and the LED screen makes it very easy to read your pumping time and battery level even in the middle of the night. It's relatively simple to assemble and disassemble, making the endless cycle of washing and sterilizing parts just a little bit easier. It is a fantastic entry-level or secondary pump to throw in your diaper bag. Coming in at number 4 is a massive fan favorite in the pumping community, the Momcozy S12 Pro. When it comes to wearable pumps, finding a flange that doesn't pinch or leak is half the battle. Momcozy tackled this by redesigning their silicone flange with a double-sealed edge. This unique double-seal design essentially molds to your body, drastically reducing the chance of milk leaking out the bottom if you bend over to pick up your baby. It features 3 modes and 9 suction levels, powered by a motor that can hold its own against some traditional wall pumps. The battery life is stellar, easily getting you through 5 or 6 sessions before needing a charge. The digital display is clear, and it operates with a low, rhythmic hum. For pure comfort and reliable daily output, the S12 Pro is a true powerhouse. Taking the number 3 spot is the Eufy S2 Pro. Yes, the same Eufy that makes your smart home security cameras and robot vacuums is now making incredibly advanced baby gear, and the tech they packed into this pump is nothing short of brilliant. The absolute standout feature of the S2 Pro is its active heat therapy integration. It gently warms up right against your skin, which is scientifically proven to help trigger faster letdowns and increase milk flow. But Eufy didn't stop there. This is a fully smart connected device. You can track your pumping times, adjust suction levels, and monitor output right from the Eufy app on your phone. It is remarkably quiet, has a sleek profile, and brings a true smart home ecosystem feel to your pumping routine. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the Willow Go. If discretion and a slim profile are your absolute top priorities, maybe you're heading back to the office or pumping during your commute, the Willow Go is an engineering marvel. It is incredibly sleek. Unlike a lot of wearables that have a bulky motor sitting on top of the collection cup, the Willow Go incorporates the motor straight into the back of the pump, meaning it sits fully flush against your chest inside your bra. It holds a very generous amount of milk and pairs with the Willow app for seamless session tracking. It delivers hospital-grade suction with multiple expression modes to optimize your yield. It is an investment, but for the working mom who needs to pump discreetly and effectively, it is worth every penny. And finally, claiming the number 1 spot on Best Gear is the Momcozy M5. If you want the ultimate all-rounder that balances premium features, comfort, and efficiency, this is the one. The M5 totally reimagined how a pump should fit. Instead of a traditional funnel, it uses a baby mouth-shaped design that mimics an infant's actual suckling angle, aiming to make pumping completely painless while maximizing milk removal. It features 3 distinct modes: stimulation, expression, and a mixed mode, along with 9 levels of intensity. It is lightweight, beautifully designed, and even comes with its own hard-shell travel case, which is a massive bonus for moms on the go. It's quiet, it's powerful, and it hits that sweet spot of high-end performance without completely breaking the bank. Motherhood is hard enough. Your pumping routine doesn't have to be. Whether you opt for the budget-friendly Paruu, the heated tech of the Eufy, or the ultimate comfort of the Momcozy M5, cutting the cord will give you so much of your freedom back. Which of these pumps caught your eye? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I've put direct links to all of these pumps in the description below so you can check current prices. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to Best Gear for more lifestyle and tech reviews, and I will see you in the next one.